Hey guys, how's it going? This is the last part of our Caswell coating video. We're going to prep these things to get drained. One of the last things I do is I let all the Caswell drain to the bottom of the gas tank. So they'll come out, or the direction where the bungs are at, so they'll come out here. I've seen everything's gotten good, solid coverage. I take my spatula. I do recycle this clay on this portion right here. Smooth it out. So if you get a gas tank from me and you see a little bit of green stuff on it, that's what it is this clay. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Put these aside and do it to the Astro tank. Not that it matters when I do this, but typically 2 tanks will get me 1 tank worth of clay. So I'll put these back in my little jar. All this is for me is used modeling clay. You guys can use Play-Doh or plumber's putty. I like to use clay. Play-Doh works good too. Take my little stick, swirl it in the direction you'd screw it in. Good look in there. Don't jab it up in there too far because you're going to want that Caswell to kind of leak around there and get in the bungs just enough. There you go. I even got a little bit of Caswell on this thing. Jab it in, circle at the same time. Kind of pull it towards you so it makes a little like frog eye at you, a little ribbit eye. And then we're going to get ready for our next part. I'm going to prep this area over here. So give me one moment. So we're going to, these are the 2 tanks over there we're working on. Alright, so what I do is I take my foam and I use this to brace the tank. First thing I'll bring over is the Astro. Alright, I take the caps off. It's made out of rubber. I'll make sure I don't get any sludge around here. Turn it upside down. I'll put it in the plastic. That epoxy will stick to it, but it'll come out nice and easy. Same thing, I do this right here with the Bandito. Take off cap. This one's a little bit harder. Alright. No, what am I doing? Put it over here. I can already see the Astro is draining. So what I'll do is come over here and I'll put my little piece of foam right under here. You guys can already see we got a little bit of drainage. This is what I'm looking for. If you look over the other side, you can already see drainage there too. So coming out of this tank, and see we got some coming out of this tank. We'll do the same thing here. Now that you guys have seen that, I'm going to elevate the back end of this tank. Across you rope. Pretty straightforward operation. I'm going to take a pair of tweezers because I see a piece of debris right here. I'm going to remove. What I like to do is kind of check, and I like to see the Caswell actually flowing forward in the tank. It's looking good. We're looking really good actually. one of the last things I like to do is just take a look in the cap area. Sometimes if you touch inside there, you got grease or something on your hands, don't want to stick there. I take some residual Caswell I got in the cup and pour it in. These ones aren't so bad. So, get a look at these. Draining. They're in the back. They're movable. Any good. So, these are 4 tanks we did today, tonight. Good flow, and I'll show you guys over here because these are kind of set up. I like to let that Caswell settle towards the front, primarily because these gas tanks are staying level on a motorcycle. We'll show you for the heck of it here. And I want the tanks, I want the gas, the little ramp there, flow to the back to drain out of the petcocks a lot easier. So there it is for you folks. Gas tank 101 Caswell coating process with Kevin Lambert at Goon Glass. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you got any questions, feel free to ask me on my YouTube here, and I'll post these to some of the other sites. That's pretty much it. That's how you make dirt track great again, people. Take care. Peace.